Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Adobe Commerce as a cloud service and we'll see its features and how it is useful. Let's understand what is Adobe Commerce as a cloud service. June 2025, Adobe released a new product named as Adobe Commerce as a cloud service. Adobe Commerce as a cloud service provides a secure, automated commerce platform with built-in self-service which reduce infrastructure overload. It includes Adobe Commerce as a core for e-commerce feature. It uses Adobe Experience Manager for asset management. Developer get full GraphQL and REST API coverage, which enable fully headless architecture where modern frameworks like React, Angular can be used for the front end. Intelligent services like live search, product recommendation, payment services, catalog services are part of Adobe Commerce as a cloud service. The modern headless storefront support document-based authoring and native A/B testing so teams can experiment quickly and deliver better customer experience. So in short, Adobe Commerce as a cloud service is a SaaS-based e-commerce platform which is basically self-service and having the onboarding of the customer is much more faster, and as it is mostly self-service, the accountability for the development team is significantly smaller and get reduced. Now let's dig into some of these features, how those work under the hood. First, elastic auto-scaling and cloud-native infrastructure. The system monitors resource usage and scales services up or down. You don't have to pre-provision massive infrastructure for peak usage, and resources are elastic. Next point, automatic update and continuous delivery. One of the major improvement. Rather than doing big bang updates, Adobe delivers small incremental updates and patches. You receive in-app notification and have 30 days to validate the patches in your sandbox environment before production application. Next, another important point, composable architecture and API fast design. Adobe Commerce as a cloud service provide GraphQL and REST API support. Using that, you can build storefront using React and other modern front-end framework. Also, using App Builder, you can customize the features, and using Admin UI SDK, you can also extend the admin interface features. Edge deployment storefront. Serving storefront asset from edge location reduce latency and improve user experience globally. So this is a remarkable achievement. So the page speed score or Google Lighthouse score is more than 95% on top of the out of the box solution. So these all pieces work together to provide a more resilient, flexible commerce stack. Adobe Commerce as a cloud service having a tons of innovation. Let's explore those one by one. Let's talk about the innovation highlights in the storefront. First thing, edge native deployment. The next gen storefront is deployed at edge, which means content is delivered closer to the customer. This reduces latency and ensures faster and more reliable shopping experience. Performance and SEO. With fast page loads, we not only improve customer experience and conversion rates, but also gain strong organic search ranking, driving more traffic to the site. Headless first approach. The storefront is designed as a headless first, giving developer complete freedom to use React, Angular, Vue, or any other framework of choice, making it adaptable to modern development practice. Future-ready architecture. ACCS built with elastic scalability so business can expand globally and handle peak traffic seamlessly. Let's talk about innovation highlights on personalization and experience. GenAI powered content variation. ACCS enable merchant to auto-generate product description and campaign images and messaging tailored to different audience. This reduces manual effort while keeping content fresh and engaging. Second point, built-in A/B testing. Merchant can test variation of offers, layout, and messaging directly in the platform. No need for a custom development. This helps them quickly learn what resonates best for the customer. hyper personalization with the help of AI driven product search and product recommendation. Now we are moving beyond simple segment. Personalization is now down to the individual. Now let's talk about innovation insights on authoring and content creation. First point is document based authoring. So marketers now can build and update storefront experience on their own without depending on developers. This empowers business teams to move faster. Pre-built templates, ready to use the templates campaign can go live in days instead of weeks, helping brands respond quicker to market trends. Next point is SDK for custom drop-ins. For developers, Adobe provides an SDK to extend functionality or build unique components. This ensures every brand can maintain its own identity while using the platform. Now let's talk about the innovation highlights on digital asset management. Native DAM built into Commerce Cloud. Merchants don't need to rely on external integration anymore. A fully native DAM is available right within Commerce Cloud. SKU-based asset organization. Every product, images, videos, or any assets you create, you can tag those assets to a SKU, making catalog management seamless. You can use the visual search to quickly find out the assets in your DAM. You can use Adobe Firefly and Adobe Express to generate new content and to generate new variation of the content through the prompt using prompt engineering. So let's conclude the benefits that SCCS provides. So first thing is that simplified onboarding and self-service provisioning. You can spin up sandbox environment or production instance in just minutes. Provisioning, configuration, and infrastructure get handled behind the scene. Second point, reduce operational overhead. Because updates, patching, scaling, and infrastructure operation are largely automated, your team burden lower. So accountability and responsibility get reduced. Third point is innovation at scale. As your business grows, the platform grows with you. And finally, like if I have to conclude, then I have to say that Adobe Commerce as a cloud service is much more than just a hosting in the cloud. It's a cloud native, secure, and scalable platform designed to support modern commerce. With innovation highlights like next-gen storefront, personalization, content authoring, digital asset management, and global scalability, the platform empowers both business teams and the developer to move faster and deliver better customer experience. The key takeaway is that the Adobe Commerce Cloud as a cloud service is a feature ready. It allows organization to grow, adapt, and innovate without worrying about the technology limitation, truly setting the stage for a global commerce success. I hope the video was useful. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. If you have any open questions, feel free to drop in comments. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.